A 3.6% rise in Hyperliquid is expected by tomorrow based on crypto predictions metrics. Let's start with the current setup and see how the chart is moving. Right now, Hyperliquid is trading near $61.65 after a 2.3% daily drop. Let's scan the expert predictions today. CoinDataFlow expects the price to move towards $62.05 by tomorrow, which would be a gain of nearly 0.8%. Hyperliquid might move up to $62.48 according to Traders Union. That's roughly 1.5% up. According to Digital Coin Price, it might approach $63.33, a rise of approximately 2.9%. A different forecast by Crypto Predictions expects Hyperliquid might head higher to $63.80, a potential gain of 3.6%. And finally, Gov Capital Collector sees the price heading to $64.31 by tomorrow, which is 4.4% above current levels. This is the most profitable forecast among all. Those were 5 analyst views for tomorrow. Let's keep going. All 5 forecasts reviewed. Here's what they suggest in numbers. Based on the forecasts, the price could move between an increase of 0.8% and a gain of 4.4%, depending on the analyst. When everything is tallied, Gov Capital Collector has the top return with 4.4% gain in value by tomorrow. To sum it up, you could receive between $8 and $44 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility taken into account, CoinDataFlow's forecast indicates the most likely movement with a 99.1% chance of success. With all forecasts taken together, I've produced a consensus outlook. According to aggregated forecasts, Hyperliquid might approach $63.19, gaining near 2.6%. Okay, let's open it up. Consensus guidance points to a 2.6% gain by tomorrow. Stated plainly, your capital might rise by around 2.6% in accordance with that projection. A 1,000 stake could translate into roughly $26 in potential upside. According to the consensus, the likelihood of this outcome is estimated at about 97.8%. To follow up, let's see how analysts describe the 3-day performance. CoinDataFlow highlights a bearish short-term picture. Similarly, Traders Union sees Hyperliquid losing ground. Digital Coin Price anticipates further bullish movement in the market. The outlook from Crypto Predictions shows the price drifting lower. Gov Capital Collector sees the price heading upward in the days ahead. The consensus result suggests Hyperliquid could lose ground across this 3-day horizon. Therefore, the overall picture shows that most forecasts anticipate downside. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Today we review their accuracy. As a result, the end-of-day value came to $63.83. The majority of analysts captured the way the market actually moved. If accuracy decides, then Gov Capital Collector was the most on point. Now let's sort it out clearly. 2 predictions match the daily session span. For ROI performance, several analysts finished above zero, and Gov Capital Collector had the highest return of 7.5%. And now, see how all forecasts performed side by side, and looking at the numbers, Gov Capital Collector showed a forecast probability of 81.2%, an accuracy value of, and an ROI of 7.5%. Take a moment and think, who came closest this time? Now we'll compare the forecasted returns for tomorrow between Hyperliquid and a few other cryptos. At the top of the list is Hyperliquid, showing the strongest potential gain of 2.6%. Here I've compared Hyperliquid with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more can already be explored on my website. If you liked the idea of checking several analysts at once, don't forget to like and subscribe. Talk soon.